watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome. Today, we're transforming the heart of the home, your kitchen, into a cozy, countryside-inspired Christmas haven. We'll explore simple yet charming ideas that blend rustic touches and holiday spirit to bring warmth and festive cheer to your kitchen. Perfect for creating a welcoming space that's as beautiful as it is inviting. Let's dive into these countryside kitchen Christmas decor ideas. Pine garland on open shelves. Add a lush pine garland draped across open shelves to bring a touch of greenery indoors. It's a natural way to introduce the season's colors and charm to your kitchen. Wreath above the sink. Hang a wreath over the sink for a festive view while you work. Choose a simple pine wreath or add small red berries for a subtle holiday touch. Vintage kitchenware display. Use vintage kitchenware like copper pots, old mixing bowls, or antique canisters to add a nostalgic, countryside vibe to your decor. Miniature Christmas trees on the counter. Place a few small Christmas trees along your countertops or windowsills. These mini trees add a festive, rustic touch without overwhelming your space. Red and white dish towels. Swap out your regular dish towels for red and white ones. This simple switch adds color and a classic holiday feel to the kitchen. Pine cone basket centerpiece. Fill a woven basket with pine cones and place it on your kitchen island or table. It's an easy and rustic way to bring the outdoors in. Holiday-themed apron display. Hang a holiday-themed apron on a hook near the stove or fridge for a touch of Christmas cheer. Functional and decorative. Christmas cookie jars. Use glass jars to store Christmas cookies or seasonal treats. It adds a sweet touch and invites family and guests to enjoy homemade holiday treats. Warm candlelight with mason jars. Place tea lights in mason jars for a warm, cozy glow on your counters or dining table. It adds ambiance and a charming farmhouse feel. Festive table setting. If you have a small kitchen table, set it with festive plates, napkins, and a simple centerpiece. It's ready for casual holiday meals and brings Christmas spirit to the space. Hanging boughs with ribbon. Tie a few small pine boughs with ribbon and hang them from cabinet knobs. This creates a simple, elegant display. Wooden cutting boards as decor. Prop up rustic wooden cutting boards as a backdrop on your counter. They bring warmth to your kitchen and create a perfect base for holiday accents. Fresh herb bundle tied with twine. Hang fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme in small bundles tied with twine. These look festive, smell great, and can be used in holiday recipes. Cinnamon stick vase filler. Place cinnamon sticks in a small vase or jar to add a rustic scent to the kitchen. It's both decorative and fills your space with a cozy aroma. Christmas lights above cabinets. String some soft white Christmas lights above your cabinets for a warm glow that adds a festive touch without taking up counter space. And there you have it. Simple, charming ways to bring the warmth of a countryside Christmas to your kitchen. Each of these ideas is easy to incorporate and brings a beautiful, rustic holiday feel to your home. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy decorating your kitchen with a touch of cozy, countryside Christmas charm. Happy decorating!